Use 100% silicone caulk where tile meets tubs or shower pans, not grout. Tile and grout are rigid and designed for flat, stable surfaces, while silicone caulk is flexible and repels water. So you should caulk the joint where vertical tile meets a tub deck or shower pan to accommodate movement and prevent leaks. Start by removing any old grout or caulk and clean the gap thoroughly with a household cleaner, and then wipe with isopropyl alcohol so the surface is oil-free. Allow the area to fully dry, then use painter's tape to mask a neat bead line. Apply a continuous bead of 100% silicone caulk with a steady pressure on a caulking gun, and tool the joint with a moistened finger or a smooth plastic tool to force the sealant into the gap and shape it to shed water. For color match, choose a caulk color close to the grout for aesthetics or clear to remain unobtrusive, and always verify the manufacturer specified cure time before exposing the joint to water. In tiled curbless showers or where a tile floor meets a linear drain or pan flange, keep a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch gap for the caulk so it can flex without extruding or splitting. If you need a finished look against large format tile, consider using a backer rod for gaps over 1/4 inch and then caulk over it to maintain flexibility and use less sealant. Common mistakes include using grout in movement joints because it looks consistent with the tile, but it will crack and allow water penetration, so replace any cracked grout with silicone caulk. Another issue is using a paintable or latex caulk thinking it is silicone, which will fail when wet, so always confirm the label says 100% silicone and is intended for baths and showers. A third frequent problem is poor surface preparation leading to adhesion failure, so remove contaminants, allow complete drying, and use tape to form a neat bead for professional results. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project information that helps choose appropriate materials and methods for tasks like caulking. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences and contractors can find work and homeowners can read peer feedback.